that a proxy is a statutory form.
Council,
yes, I'm guided.
The timekeeper indicates to me that you should be, in the next 5 minutes, you will be over 30 minutes.
And I still have a long way to go. But I'll try to work within that.
You know, yesterday you promised us 30 minutes.
Yeah, let me try to work within the scope.
How many minutes do you need? How many minutes more?
15 minutes will be okay. I'll be done.
Can you try to do 10?
Let me work within the constraints.
No. Chair.
Oh, yes, Senator Uta.
Chair, would I propose that the time allocated to submissions should be there too, since the day is long for us, and if we keep on giving an extra time, we might not be able to conclude today. This is a subject which is having a timeline, and therefore we cannot be giving an extra time all the time. So I think they need to prepare themselves within the time allocated.
Council, we still have 7 witnesses to deal with.
Yes,
so
Chair.
You can imagine the kind of pressure on time we have.
Yes, Chair.
Yeah, so try to sum up.
I'll try to. So witness, confirm to us that you don't have any proxy document, statutory form connecting the governor with these allegations, yes?
What I have is in my affidavit clearly put how these companies were working for the governor and the first family.
I'm satisfied. Paragraph 14, witness?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, I'm there.
What is the content?
It talks about the purchase of this motor vehicle.
The purchase of the motor vehicle. Who purchased that motor vehicle?
The county government.
The county government.
Yes.
And in your paragraph 15, it's your allegation that the said motor vehicle was confiscated, yes?
Yes, previously.
Who? Yes, previously.
Yes.
What do you mean by previously?
It was under subject of investigations.
And so that status has since changed?
I'm made to understand that it has changed.
It has changed?
Yes.
To what status?
I'm told it has went back to the county government.
It has gone back to the county government?
Yes.
Following conclusion of the investigation, yes?
Yes.
And so you want the governor to be impeached for something that has been concluded by a statutory or a constitutional organ?
The allegations for him to be impeached are many, not only this.
No, I'm on that allegation. Iyo ya kwanza tu.
Not only this, as you put it.
Yeah, now I'm on this. You want us to impeach the governor for an issue that has already been concluded, yes?
But you know, Chairman.
Just answer me. Don't lecture me.
I'm not lecturing. I'm replying to your questions.
Yes.
Yes.
You want us to impeach him on the basis of this allegation, 14 and 15, yes?
Yes.
Good. I put it to you that this impeachment is laced with malice, vendetta, and personal grudge, yes?
No.
As I sum up, paragraph 18.
Yes.
Yes? What is the content?
The statement of account held by Central Bank of Kenya for the current.
Do you have that statement of account attached?
Yes.
Where? Which page?
It's page 25.
Yes?
Page 25.
Page 25.
Yes.
What is the source, or where did you procure this document from?
This document is from Central Bank of Kenya.
From Central Bank of Kenya?
Yes.
Did you just walk to Central Bank of Kenya and they gave you the statement?
No.
What procedure did you employ to procure the same?
This one, I got it after and before we started the impeachment process.
So what procedure did you employ to procure the document?
I got from somebody who gave me with an envelope.
Sorry? What did you say?
Somebody gave me with an envelope with this statement.
Somebody came with an envelope?
Yes.
Where did this envelope come from?
In the county assembly.
County assembly?
Yes.
Does that then mean that you hold, or you act as holding stock for, or holding files for the central bank?
You know, Chairman.
Are you partners with the central bank? To mean that you hold their documents on their behalf?
That one is not there.
Not there.
Chairman, I may reply to that statement.
Where exactly did you get this statement from?
You know, Chairman, we have whistleblowers in this country, people who do not want to be known when they're giving information.
Can we ask the committee to go in camera for us to establish that position?
No, there's no point.
There's no point.
Yes.
So you're not able to express that point in the glare of the cameras, and even in camera you're not able to express, correct?
These are genuine documents from the Central Bank of Kenya. I'm not asking about the authenticity. I am asking, do you want us to go in camera for you to disclose the source? For what reason? Because I'm already here and giving evidence.
So even in camera you're not able to disclose, yes?
No.
Does that cast aspersions to your source of the said documents?
No.
Do you think that casts aspersions and doubts the integrity of your evidence?
No.
Finally, paragraph 21, and this will be my final question, and 24. What did you want to achieve?
Here I want to bring to light how non-existent projects are being paid.
Non-existent project.
Yes.
Who paid them? Is it the governor who paid?
The county government.
The county government.
Yes. Headed by the governor.
Do you have any report to indicate that a project was paid and the same is non-existent?
Come again?
Do you have any evidence to show that this project was paid? Is a ghost project?
Yes, this project was paid. I have the evidence.
You can lead us to that evidence. What page? Witness?
A minute. Page 32.
Page 32.
Yes.
Yes, we are there.
This is the WAJIR County government.
It's WAJIR County.
Yes.
Where does it indicate that this project is a ghost project in this statement?
Because
where does it indicate in the statement that this is a ghost project?
This statement shows that this company was paid.
I agree. The company was paid. I am not asking about the payment. I'm asking about the allegation of it being a ghost project.
For this, I've said yesterday before the committee, and I'm saying we go to this location called Fadwin.
Witness, did you understand the nature of my question? I rephrase. I want you to give us evidence that this is a ghost project.
Yes.
Please indicate.
This project is non-existent.
Where is the documentation?
Let me call. You know, this is a project that is a structure.
Where
a structure
is
that
the
can be identified is this. So when you go to application, this structure doesn't exist.
Witness, which statement, which year was this project paid? Which year was it paid?
It was paid on...
Which date?
It was paid on 16th of December 2019.
2019?
Yes.
Are you aware that the Auditor General has given a report to that effect?
I'm not aware.
The Auditor, the reports for 2018, 2019?
But not this specific on
Are you aware? Company. Are you aware that an Auditor General's report has been generated to that effect?
Auditor General reports are generated every year.
They are generated every year?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Would it surprise you that you have not given us that auditor's report indicating or capturing that a ghost project was paid? Or do you doubt the works of the Auditor General?
I have said under oath, and it's in my affidavit, that this
no, I'm asking, just answer me. We have read your affidavit. That's why we are cross-examining you. We have read it. Are you saying that this country should not trust the works of the Auditor General?
I cannot reply for a third party.
Yes?
I cannot reply for a third party.
No
my statement under oath says that.
Any re-examination, Senior Counsel?
Yes, thank you very much, Chairman. I'll ask just one question.
Thank you.
And that is, I just want to Shoaib, Honorable Shoaib.
Yes, Chairman.
I mean, your affidavit dwells a lot on the First Lady and, you know, how far her tentacles, how far her influence reaches in the county government of WAJIR. And, you know, among African communities, in many communities, you know, there are women who are very dominated. Is it your understanding that this case is just a case of a dominant woman, or is it much more than that?
Much more than that.
Can you explain just a little bit, very shortly?
But Chair, kindly, who is on trial? Is it the governor's wife or the governor? Who is on trial in this case, Senior Counsel?
You had your time, yeah? Let him answer. Is it just give a... I just want you to give one or two examples why you think this is not just an ordinary case of a dominant wife, which is very common among certain communities.
Let me refer to, like, you know, you see electricity. You can see it, but you cannot touch. For the First Lady of WAJIR, you only see, but if you say you cross her line, you are out. She is not an ordinary woman.
That's all, Mr. Chairman. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, honorable senators, I don't know whether you want to ask some questions from this particular witness. We did so yesterday. Is there anybody who was missing? We did ask our questions on this witness yesterday, but if there is anything that has arisen where you need clarification, you do? Okay, Senator Susan Kihika.
Just a very quick one, and I might be a bit confused because we've slept since then. Were you the witness who was coming in after the first one, who was to give us the linkage between, or the hard evidence on how the First Lady influences the going-ons in the county? I'm just not sure if it was you or there was somebody else after you.
I was a second witness, Senator.
Okay, Senator Linturi.
So I want some bit of clarity, Chair, because the manner in which the First Lady has really featured in these proceedings, and probably if he was to answer me, that will determine whether I will ask the next question or not. The governor that is before this committee is a Jubilee governor. True or false? Are you elected from the same party? Are you members of the same party?
Are you asking me, Senator?
I'm asking whether you are from the same party with the governor.
Party?
Party, yes, elected.
We are from the same coalition.
Pardon?
We are from the same coalition.
So you are elected under which ticket?
I'm elected under Kanu.
Kanu, very good. Now, yes. The question now that should follow is because, you know, I've gone through your affidavit and the one associated